guys, welcome back. Now that I've finished the coilover install, I want to give you a quick overview of the car since I don't have any immediate plans of really adding many parts to this car, with the exception of that innovative traction bar I'd like to get. It's a 1991 model Civic SI, Tahitian green pearl. Still the original paint, still in really good shape for being original paint. Does have some damage on the bumpers, little scratches here and there, but overall I think this car is a still very clean model of what it was initially when it came out. Now a little history on the car. I bought it in August of 2012. I picked it up in Phoenix, and unfortunately the seller didn't tell me it had a blown head gasket. It had a B16A engine in it at the time. It had some old red wheels that kind of looked like work equips. It had that Corbeau seat that's now in my track car, and it had the original interior everywhere else. Now let me give you a little tour of the car, of what I've added onto the car and what consists of the build. Now under the hood, it's still OBD0. Got that JDM B16A with a couple bolt-ons. Got the JDM SIR intake box with a custom intake tube, skunk tooth throttle body, intake manifold, header and exhaust. Also have the skunk tooth fuel rail on there and some Hasport billet mounts. For cooling, we have that skunk tooth radiator. It's the half size, which fits in like OEM. I have that GPI Racing silicone radiator hoses. For suspension, I have the Skunk 2 Pro S2 V2 coilovers. We have that front upper strut bar. And you can't see it here, but I have the Skunk 2 front upper camber kit. I'm using the 15x7 plus 35 offset Volk CE28 ends. Tires are Nitto Neogen 205/50. Brakes, just some cross-drilled slotted, no names, ceramic pads. I do have the 9091 Civic Sedan EX front knuckles. I also have the master cylinder installed. I have some stainless steel brake lines. I have the full energy suspension bushing kit as well, and all the ball joints have been replaced, same with the wheel bearings. I also have those ARP extended wheel studs, and I have those Project KICS R40s lug nuts. Now at the rear corners, using the 9093 Integra DA rear trailing arms, energy suspension, rear trailing arm bushings, stainless steel brake lines, some plain rotors, also some ceramic pads. We have a stock sway bar underneath and Skunk 2 rear lower control arms. On the outside in the rear, we got the JDM EF9 tail lights, and I also have that center garnish with the raised lettering on it. And for the wing, we have that eBay wing that I did a video on a while back. I'll link that in the upper corner if you're interested in seeing more on the wing. The rear lip is from eBay. It's made to mimic the EF9 SIR lip, but it fits wonderfully and I really like how it looks on the car. And the front bumper still has the OEM lip. Now for the interior, we still have the OEM door panels. I do have the JDM EF9 front and rear seats. I have a Mugen steering wheel, energy hub, and quick release. I have the Skunk 2 shift knob and short shifter. Also that optional center console and the armrest. And then in the rear, we got the OEM cargo cover. Put on some hinges on here because this cover was broken into two pieces. I also have the OEM Honda speaker pods. And there it is, guys. There's my baby. Let me know what you think. I think I covered all the bases on it. It's a relatively simple build. Nothing too extravagant. I think it's a really clean build with the parts I've added onto it, and trying to keep it as clean and semi-original as possible. That's why I really like the OBD0 B16A swap. I'm not trying to make this car go 300 miles an hour, beat everyone on the street. I just wanted a super clean EF9 inspired Civic SI. I think I've managed to accomplish that. And who knows, future plans, maybe go OBD1 in the future, maybe make a little bit more power. JDM front end is always something I've wanted to do. and I have one of my really good friends helping me trying to source some parts. We're seeing if we can put one together without breaking the bank. And after that, I'm more concerned of getting the car repainted because the rest of the body is in really good shape, but I would definitely repaint the entire car the same color if I was able to find the front end. So have some future plans, but nothing in the immediate future. Just want to enjoy it, drive it, clean it, and have fun with it. Hope you guys like the walk around. I've been meaning to do one on this car for a while. I just haven't had the time to do so. Finally got some nice break in the weather, got outside and got this car cleaned. Got some good footage of it. So how about we take it for a small spin right now, throw a couple GoPros up on it, get some intake and exhaust noises for your pleasure and mainly for mine because I want to hear it. So what did you guys think of the way it sounds? I think it sounds excellent. I love the way this car sounds now. The header gave it more grunt. The exhaust sounds super clean. I've been thinking about possibly making another piece of exhaust just to throw in the middle to see what it sounds without the test pipe. That way I'm not destroying the original resonator, just to kind of see if it still sounds really clean, a little bit more mean. But that's something I might throw together really easily. It'd be an inexpensive job to do. But if I do, I'll make a small video on it. We'll get some differences in the exhaust noise. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.